friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the MI UI 13 versus Realme UI 3.0 in terms of the game space versus game turbo. So this is a question, friends, which a lot of users they do have in the mind. So how will the next versions of the game space and game turbo looks like in terms of the features and in terms of the options? That's what this video is about. And right now I'm trying to use a Realme GT device here, and which has got the beta version of the Realme UI 3.0. So which I did install and I was able to use it. And right now I did not install any kind of MIUI 13, but I did get the APK of the game turbo in the MIUI 13. Of the game turbo, how it looks in the next generation, that's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. So overall, there's nothing much major changes has happened inside the application, inside this MIUI 13, inside the game turbo. As you can see, everything looks same like the previous option, nothing much huge difference. You can actually find it if you try to go to the advanced settings or anywhere, same options are present, but the only change has been happened to the game control center. I'll try to explain you. There's a huge improvement in the next generation. So MIUI 13 type of game turbo, as you can see, a lot of changes has been happened. And same thing applies for the Realme UI 3.0 in the game space. So everything has been changed. When compared with the previous one, everything has been changed, completely interface and all the options. Now it looks lot better than the before ones in the Realme UI 3.0. So the interface, these are the home page looks in the games application, and you do have all the settings. These are completely new. I mean, in terms of the 4D web versions, that's also slightly new. And apart from that, there's nothing much major thing about this one except this game data, where you can actually see each and every game, how many hours you played and everything. And apart from that, let's begin with the control center. How will the Realme UI 3.0 game space control center looks like? So here's a quick review on the game turbo in the MIUI 13, as you can see. So this is a new type of experience, friends, which we can actually have in this game turbo in the MIUI 13. And here we do have one of the advantage is that there is a balanced mode and the performance boosting option, which is available straight away in this game turbo. So before we did not see this kind of options. Before there used to be somewhere on the top regarding the game turbo and everything. So from this MIUI 13, I mean MIUI 12.5, this version, it went completely to this one. As you can see, friends, how much difference it has been there in terms of the options and experience, everything. Now it looks really polished. As you can see, everything in one menu, you can actually see each and every option. But whereas the before game turbo, you need to swipe every time and to select some kind of options. But right now it's straight away visible. This is what I did like in this new game turbo much more. And let me try to compare with the side by side. How will the panels looks like? And is the Realme UI 3.0 versions game space. This is the MIUI 13 version of game turbo. You can see how the interface looks. So I did like this kind of big panel and everything, where you can actually open the floating windows as well directly, application if you try to click on them. And this is a small menu which is present. And similarly with the performance mode, there's different performance mode. You can actually enable game mode, balanced mode and low mode, which is also available option. But one unique thing about this Realme UI game space is that you do have the floating FPS meter. This is the floating FPS meter which is present at this moment. As you can see, that's fantastic. Whereas in the game turbo MIUI 13, there is no floating FPS meter, but there is in the developer options. In the developer options, you can enable if you want. But in this game turbo, there is no option to enable the floating FPS option. If you want, you can see all the details real time. As you can see, that's another option we do have. Next is a clear memory option also we are having. In case if you experience any kind of lag while playing the games, you can actually click on the clear memory option as well. That's also pretty useful. Do not disturb, screenshot, recording, brightness and Wi-Fi. You do have the brightness lock here. If you want casting, turn off the screen. And if you want to select the different video styles, this is one of the best thing which I did like in this MIUI and Poco phones mainly, where you can actually boost lot of colors. So much colors will be boosted if you try to use this kind of technique. So much. Try to observe how much colors has been changed. Similarly, there is a filter mode option which is present in the Realme UI, but that doesn't support in all the games. This one can support in all the games. That's the difference between this one and this one. And these are the few things which are just letting you know. Voice changer is also present in this latest game turbo, but in this Realme UI, I mean in this game space, still the voice changes they did not implement at this moment. Maybe once after the stable version release, we may see that kind of voice changer option present in the stable one. That's another thing. So there are chances that they might change and they might add some of the features in the future. But these are the complete interface. This is how it looks. And I did like this kind of complete menu in single thing. instead of scrolling to the next option, they could have gone with this kind of big thing that will be really great to access everything. And there is next one is that about the timer. If you want, you can use these timers as well options. That's also available. That's a really good thing. And that's it, friends. This is the quick Game Turbo versus Realme UI's Gain Space 3.0 versus MIUI 13's Game Turbo. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, and make sure to join my Telegram group in case if you want to download these APKs and if you want to install, try to go to the about info of my YouTube channel and you can click on the Telegram group and you can join my Telegram group for the APKs. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, follow the playlist which I created for the Realme UI 3.0 and you will be able to find out all the tips and tricks and features. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.